Peace. My name is Isaiah. I'm 16 years old and I'm a co-founder of EdAnime Productions. I'm here for another episode of So You Want to Be an Entrepreneur. In the first episode, I explained the process of starting your own business. In the second episode, I went deeper into the different types of businesses you can have. In this episode, I'm going to explain another vital part of the process of starting your own business, which is obtaining an FEIN number. An FEIN number stands for Federal Employer Identification Number, also known as an EIN number. The federal government uses FEIN numbers to identify an entity as a tax-paying entity. A business uses an FEIN number to file and pay taxes. Now I'm going to show you how to go online and obtain your own FEIN number. The first thing you want to do to obtain your FEIN number is go to www.irs.gov. When you arrive at the page, go to Tools and then select Apply for an EIN. When this page pops up, go to Apply Online Now and select it. Then select Begin Application. Then they will ask the question, what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN? They're pretty much asking which type of company do you have. Do you have a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, an LLC, an estate, or a trust, or another type of company? We are going to select LLC because EdAnime Productions started off as an LLC. Then go to the bottom of the page and select Continue. Next, they will tell you what an LLC is and what it is not. If this is the type of company you have, go to the bottom of the page and select Continue. On this page, it will ask you to tell them more about your LLC. They will ask how many members on your LLC. We're going to put 4. And they will also ask what state is the business located. EdAnime Productions is located in Maryland. And then select Continue. When you arrive to this page, select Continue. Now they will ask, why is the LLC requesting an EIN? Are you starting a new business? Are you hiring employees? Is it for banking purposes? Have you changed the type of organization? Or have you purchased another active business? We are going to select Start a New Business if this is your first business. And then go to the bottom of the page and select Continue. Next, they will ask, who is the responsible party of the LLC? Is it an individual or an existing business? We're going to select an individual and then select Continue. Now they will ask you to insert more information about the responsible party of the LLC. They will ask for a first name. They will ask for your last name. They will ask for a suffix. And they will ask for your social security number. And then they will ask, are you the owner or the managing member of the LLC? And they will ask, are you a third party applying for the EIN? I am a owner, so I will select this one. And then go to the bottom of the page and select Continue. I am not going to authenticate this page because that will require me to put in my personal information. So I'm going to talk you through the next steps of the process. When the next page pops up, it's going to ask you for the physical address of your company. You're going to be required to put in your street address, your city, your state, and your zip code. And then it will ask, does this address differ from the mailing address? And you will select yes or no. After that, you will select Continue, and it will bring you to a details page. On this page, it will be handy to have the papers you received when you registered your company. For LLC, that will be your articles of organization. For a corporation, that will be your articles of incorporation. And then you will put in, because it will ask for the information shown on that article, such as the name of your company as stated on the article, and you will put any other details that it asks for. When you select continue, it will bring you to our EIN confirmation page where it will give you your EIN number. This wraps up our video. Please stay tuned for the next episode of So You Want to Be an Entrepreneur. Peace.